How to make the perfect margarita, plus its surprising history. Few cocktails say celebration like the margarita, but did you know its origins involve a baroness, a dancer, and maybe even the Prohibition era? Today, we'll make the perfect margarita plus share its wild backstory. The history. The margarita's origin is deliciously disputed. The socialite theory. In 1938, Texas socialite Margarita Saenz allegedly invented it for friends at her Acapulco vacation home. The dancer theory. Some say a 1940s dancer named Marjorie King, allergic to all alcohol except tequila, inspired a bartender to create it. The Prohibition twist. Others claim it evolved from the Daisy cocktail, Spanish for margarita, popular during Prohibition when Americans to Mexico for drinks. Now let's mix. The recipe. Ingredients: 2 ounces, 60 milliliters, 100% agave tequila, Blanco Silver. 0.75 ounces, 22 milliliters, orange liqueur, Cointreau or triple sec. 0.5 ounces, 15 milliliters, agave syrup or simple syrup. Ice. Steps. Shake. Combine all ingredients with ice in a shaker. Shake hard for 12-15 seconds. Garnish: lime wheel or wedge. Pro tip: want it extra smooth? Try reverse dry shaking. Shake without ice first, then add ice and shake again. Fun facts: the world's largest margarita was 8,500 gallons, Texas, 2011. Frozen margaritas were invented in 1971 by a Dallas machine salesman. Thank him later. The salt rim. It enhances sweetness and pays homage to tequila's traditional salt and lime chaser. Whether you're teen shaken or frozen, now you've got the perfect recipe plus bragging rights about its history. Want more cocktail deep dives? Smash that subscribe button. Serrado.